Let's go back to the first question that we had at the beginning of this section, finding the area under the curve y equals x squared from 0 to 2. And let's use the definite integral notation to show what we're asking for. So here we have the definite integral from 0 to 2 of x squared dx. So that is equal to the limit as n approaches infinity of the sum from 1 to n of x squared times delta x. So we're adding up the base times the height. So we need to know what is delta x. Delta x is the upper minus the lower divided by n. So 2 over n. Next we need our x sub I. X sub I is beginning value plus delta x times I. So f of x sub I is equal to 2 over n times I squared. So using this, we can rewrite our limit as n approaches infinity of the sum from 1 to n of 2 over n times I squared times 2 over n. This is equal to the limit of the sum from 1 to n of 4 times 2 is 8 n cubed times I squared. And then we can factor out the 8 over n cubed so that we have the sum from 1, we gotta factor it out, the sum of I squared. Now using our summation formulas, we can replace the sum of I squareds with its formula. We have our 8 over n cubed here, and it is n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6. So we've gotten rid of the summation. Now we just need to evaluate the limit. Let's simplify what we can. Since we're multiplying straight across, I can simplify. 2 is a common factor of each of those. We can cancel one of the n's in the numerator with one of the n's in the denominator. So we have the limit as n approaches infinity of 4 times, I think I will FOIL this out. There should be an n right here, 2n plus 1. So that's going to give me 2n squared. The inside and outside terms, we'll combine those together, 3n, and then the lasts. And on the denominator, we have 3n squared. So from here, we can distribute the 4, giving us 8n squared plus 12n plus 4. And each of these are over common denominator, 3n squared. And we can simplify n squareds here, n's here, nothing left over, nothing over there. Now we can evaluate the limit. We don't have any more indeterminate forms. So the limit of 8/3 is 8/3. The limit of 12 over 3n is 0. The limit of 4 over n squared is 0. So we have our solution, 8/3. That is the area under the curve x squared from 0 to 2 is 8 thirds.